Here's another example of my Dinky Toy collection. These are two French Dinky Toys. These are 1959 Chrysler Saratogas in only the two-tone paint jobs that were offered. Both of them have interiors and glass and white wall tires and suspension. This first one is gray with the black trim. The accuracy of the 59 Chrysler shows up on each of these die-cast models. And there's the rear end. Underneath, you might be able to read on the base plate, made in France by Dinky Toys of France. This one here is in beige with white trim. Again, it shows the accuracy of the actual 59 Chrysler Saratoga with the fins, white wall tires. Interior for both of these are in red. And of course there's the base plate. These are both mint condition. I've had these for several years now. But another example of my Dinky Toy collection. Thanks for viewing.